motherfucker keep standing on my goddamn shoulder all day like I ain't doing nothing or something.
Too dirty.
Man, we done put up about 10,000 feet of pipe in the goddamn air, man. Let me go talk to this motherfucker real quick, man. Supervisor on my shoulder trying to micromanage. Look them dead in the face, said I don't like your antics. How I feel about this place, you ain't gon' like my answer. Yeah, catch you right outside this bitch and spank you like your mammy. Fuck you mean? Get the fuck about my face before I go psycho, damn it. Yeah, making it safe about this place, you ain't gon' like your chances. Bitch, I'm Spider, throw a block up like I'm Tyson Chandler. Yeah, beat that ass just like I'm Joe. Yeah, I'm Michael Jackson. Fuck you think? Throw a pipe beside the rat so you can claim your footage. Ought to throw that shit right back. Now who you think you pushing? Told my fiddle, fuck that fiddle. We ain't making nothing. Bout to zone out with my phone out just in case he looking. Why? Cause you a bird dogging bitch. You sound absurd. Call it quit. Flip my hood up, almost stood up. Knock the dirt off your shit, bitch. You bird dogging Rick. You got some nerve talking shit. Safety stand out. It's a man out from that bird dogging shit. Cause you a bird dogging bitch. You sound absurd. Call it quit. Flip my hood up, almost stood up. Knock the dirt off your shit, bitch. You bird dogging Rick. You got some nerve talking shit. Safety stand out. It's a man out from that bird dogging shit. By the zone out with my phone out just in case he looking. You don't like it? What's up? Fight me. We can make adjustments. Check my check from my per diem just in case he took it. About to stretch out in my hooch and it ain't breaking nothing. If he ask me what I'm doing, I say making money. Plenty cake I'm out pursuing, you can't take it from me. Don't give a fuck about how you do it, just keep chasing honeys. State to state, got major cake and this in great abundance. You think it's sweet, don't play with me, this for to stay up under. They throwing dirt on top of my name, but they won't take me under. Your whole position in this business is just straight redundant. You bird dogging, I'ma call it good at making judges. Cause you a bird dogging bitch, you sound absurd. Call it quit, flip my hood up, almost stood up, knock the dirt off your shit, bitch. You bird dogging Rick, you got some nerve talking shit. Safety stand out, it's a man out from that bird dogging shit. Cause you a bird dogging bitch, you sound absurd. Call it quit, flip my hood up, almost stood up, knock the dirt off your shit, bitch. You bird dogging Rick, you got some nerve talking shit. Safety stand out, it's a man out from that bird dogging shit. Take off.
Nice beat. Yeah, I don't give a fuck if you don't look the best. This shit ain't no fucking world test, man. This shit is some repair work. You feel me?
Bingo. Bingo.
Really made.
If you never met a welder like myself, then you should find one. Filling up a gap to fill with wet, but I don't mind much. You never met a welder like myself, then you should find one. Filling up a gap to fill with wet, but I don't mind much.
I be beating up, wedding band. I be beating up. With either hand, I be beating up. Don't understand, I be beating up. While y'all be playing, I be beating up. Wedding band, I be beating up. With either hand, I be beating up. Don't understand, I be beating up. While y'all be playing, I be.
If you never met a welder like myself, then you should find one. Filling up a gap to fit was wet, but I don't mind much. If I don't make it big, I'm sealing cracks until my time's up. I'm turning down the heat because the fitter made a white one. Running up a beat, I got something you should see. I watch that get it's like magic, I got something up my sleeve. Strictly action, main attraction, I'm the one that came to see. Put the wire in the crease, hit the fire, let her eat. Metal dancing on the bevel now, jamming heavy metal now. Pushing ain't the lesser, how you want it, I got levels now. Shooting down my beat, I can't believe you see it better now. I see they acting jealous now, pocket full of cheddar now.
Beating up,
make a puddle you can stand in. Beat into my hands jam, I'm the wedding band, man. I'm
beating up.
Knew that I would be the damn man. Finally got the chance, man. They don't stand a chance.
I be beating up, wedding band. I be beating up. With either hand, I be beating up. Don't understand, I be beating
back off, especially when I'm riding. Got a little undercut right there. About to do a little pat, fill that little crater up. Other than that, you know what I'm saying? You got little patches and shit like that to do, man. You don't need no helmet, man. You just gotta hit it with a little. Don't hit it with a little. Close your eyes, you feel me? You don't need no helmet for that little shit. Don't try this at home, kid. But you don't need no helmet for that, man. Don't try this at home, kid. Yes, sir. Little tack cover that up perfectly. You got a mount and a 4B. That shit look good to me. Turn the machine off. Hey, if I do say so myself, you ride good to me. Oh man, I done, squared the weld, man. You hear me? Yeah. Fuck, did I hit that gate? You know what I'm saying? That's what happens when you got too much power to control, you hear me? You hit shit. Know what I'm saying? Yeah. That shit still holding up though, you heard me? Know what I'm saying? I don't tell y'all nothing wrong. I might tell a joke. I never tell a lie. I know who's running this shit. It's cold out here, man. I'm out here in the cold for that content, man. I'm hungry. I'm trying to eat. Don't need no food. Oh, snap. I'm gonna try to make a way. Yes, sir. Real world content. Real content in the game, you heard me? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. That's what we do out here, man. It's another day. You know what I'm saying? You see my shirt off fucked up with these hoes, you know what I'm saying? I just could, you know what I'm saying? It would be the well man, you know what I'm saying? That's what I do, man. We do this shit. You feel me? We eat, sleep, and breathe this shit, man. But yeah, man. I ain't about to be on here for talking to two nerds, you know what I'm saying? Not two nerds. But I just had to show y'all this, man. I just got to show y'all that we really out here, man. We doing it like this, man. You know what I'm saying? Give y'all that raw, uncut, worthy content like that, man. I just took y'all up the block with me, man. Come on, man. I just showed y'all I crashed and shit, man. Come on, man. Nobody ain't showing that. I'm telling you, man. You really like this worthy school. You know what I'm saying? Go show your mama. Go show your sister. Go show your grandma, man. You know what I'm saying? Better know LB the well man is real. And he really welding shit up out here, man. Anything you need fixed, bring it in this yard, man. He'll get you right, man. I'm telling you.